Week 7 wrap up, May 18, 2018. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the 7th week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 7/8 of the class, or the equivalent of 3 months and a half worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. A few reminders are in order. Please take a look at the schedule above, but I will go ahead and review it right here. Cultural Geography News discussion number 4 was due yesterday, Thursday, May 17th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topic discussion number 4 is due tonight, Friday, May 18th by 11:59 p.m. Map Quiz number 4, Asia and Oceania, is due tomorrow, Saturday, May 19th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4, that became available Wednesday, May 16th, is due Sunday, May 20th by 11:59 p.m. These two discussions have been available since Monday. You have to remember that these are two different assignments. Each is worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit this assignment, but the further away you are from the due date, the more points will be deducted. And now that the 8-week session is almost over, time is running out. Please remember to review the lectures posted on the modules, read the lecture slides, listen to and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with it, but it's still a problem with some of you. Remember that I'm not dropping anyone anymore. If you are not participating in completing the assignments, you are not going to pass the class. I just finished grading reflection number 3, and about half of the class has not completed this assignment that was due last Sunday. The last reflection number 4 is due Sunday. If you are missing assignments, quizzes, discussions, or reflections, there's going to be little time left in the class to complete them. If they are not done by next week, it will be reflected in your final grade. Next week is the last week of the class. There's only one assignment, final assignment due. That would be exam number 3. But again, all of the assignments need to be completed by Friday, May 25th, because after that, I need to finalize the grades so they can be submitted over the weekend. Have a nice weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.